Rodimus Prime. So, caveat, I failed to explain one of the rules at the start of the evening. And that is that we had a family early on figure out how to win races, and when they won their 5th championship, I said, I can't let them win anymore. So I made their cars ineligible and just added their name to the trophy. That's the Douglas family. And then our very own Cliff Schmidt figured it out, and he won 5 championships. I said, no, Cliff, I can't let you win anymore. So I took his cars out of competition and put his name on the trophy. And then, of course, we have Phil Clark, our rocket science here, that figured it out. And he and his grandkids won 5 titles. So it took his cars out of competition and put his name on the trophy. And then along came Rich Abrahamson, our current track record holder, and his family has won 5 times. So his 2 cars entered in this race are going to give everybody else an idea of what a track record running car looks like. But those cars cannot win the Grand Prix because they already have 5 championships under their belt. So if either of those come out on top, we're going to take the next clubber in line to be the champion. If either of these competitors do come out on top, even though they can't win this championship, that's why we've got the Open Championship, where we can recognize them for their excellence and continue to keep them performing so that we can all see what we want to be like when it comes to building a Grand Prix car. I never came close to winning anything. I'm building my kids' cars, if you will. I just don't have that ability. Amen. That these people do have that. So you are all competing for the Douglas Schmidt Clark Abrahamson Trophy, Awana Hills Grand Prix champion. Okay, so on that basis, now that we understand the status of the Abrahamson, we're cheering them on. It'd be cool to see them set a track record, wouldn't it? On that basis, who's got the bell? Colton! Starter ready? Timer ready? And they're off. And besides Abraham, it looks like on the pole here it'd be...
Bye.
How about, is that Colton Dahl? How is it?
Did I know? All the way across? Everyone won.
Oh, 5 seconds. You're right.
Okay.
Have to run it again.
I can't remember that happening before. How cool is that? So we should run that again. We have the ability to do that, Rich?
That's a really cool car.
So you got a picture of that? Oh yeah, Tiff got it.
I got it.
The Grand Prix.
So Colton, Mario 5000, what does that signify? That's honest, isn't he? Amen that he's honest. So, one of Parnelli Jones's fiercest competitors was Mario Andretti. So here I'm thinking you somehow picked up on the Parnelli story, and boom, you came up with Mario. And in fact, when Parnelli retired, Parnelli then became a car owner. And who did he hire to drive his car? Mario Andretti. Mario Andretti won the 1969 Indy 500. So he's a one-time driver. And while I said earlier, many consider Parnelli Jones the greatest driver, one of the greatest drivers, many consider Mario Andretti one of the greatest drivers. Even though both of them only won the Indy 500 one time, they did so much more, and they were such good drivers. They didn't win anymore by circumstances beyond their control. So, Mario 5000, which starter is ready. Timer is ready. Colton says, can we get it right this time? Boom. Okay, let's go.
Again.
And it is Aubrey, Lily, and Colton Dahl. It was foretold in the previous race. Way to go. Colton with a 3.11. Bella Crosito. And then followed by Connor Finn.
Or design it well. It's also the...
What were your times?
The weight.
1290. 1290. If that counted, it's over, right? We don't need to do any more of the races. So, amen. The system is working, is it not?
290. Oh. I don't know.
Okay, it looks like we have our final heat of the first segment. And it is car number 65. I don't know, Davey Fleming. Wavy Davey. Come on up, Davey. Davey in reverse would be Evad. Don't back up. Evad. 70, Liliana Archer, the Catmobile. Where's Liliana? Car number 68 is Jaws of Benjamin Venegas. Where's Jaws? Benjamin. Next up, it's car number 67, David Zaragoza. It's not a car, it's a truck. He wanted to take home the big trophy. He needed a truck. Car number 74, it's Lucas Wong in his own car. Way to go, Lucas. And the red lane is a bye. Is a bye, is a bye. Davey Fleming and I don't know. The yellow, the blue lane. Oh. Thank you, Miles. That would be Lucas Wong. Lucas, way to go. Second place, Liliana Archer Daniels Midland. Way to go, Liliana. Third place is Benjamin Venegas. Okay, so that Lucas Wong, 155.8 miles per hour. So is there anybody in the audience that knows for sure that they have been in a car that's gone over 150 miles per hour? Anybody can honestly make that claim? Oh, or on a motorcycle. Oh. So Scott may have flirted with disaster. Okay, we go to the second round. He raced number 1. That would be in the purple, number 77, Vincent Sowell in Buzz. Where are you at, Vinny? Where are you at, Vinny? Come on up here. Stay on that side of the line. Stay on that side of the line. There you go. Back up a little bit. Boom. You got green lighted shoes. You got a green shirt. And you're standing on the green line. You must be the go guy, right? Are you talking on the phone? Who are you talking to? You got the president on the line? What's he saying? You don't know? No, that was in the other race. Are you on first? Yeah. Okay. We got next to him Riley, Sister Riley, with a sibling rivalry. Car number 82, Connor Din, Rodimus Prime. Car number 83, Rain Juarez. We could use some rain right now, Rain. Bring us a glitter bomb. Car number 51, Ethan Peters in the dog. Ethanator. You want to dog this? Okay. We got a by lane on the yellow. Didn't have an even number of cars divided by 6. We have by lanes. Starter ready, timer ready. Let's hear it, Ethan.
Ring the bell.
And they're off. And it's sparkled. It's a blue sparkle. Did we do it? Did we do it? You already got it? Rain Juarez. Way to go, Rain. Followed by Ethan Peters. Did we buy it? And Riley Sowell. Where you go, Riley? You could go back. You want to ring that pin? You want to ring that? Ring it loud. Ring it loud. Ring it.
Can you shake it?
Ring it. Shake it hard.
Ring it.
Yeah, I'll take it back.
Shake it, Logan.
Okay, next race, car number 69, Benjamin Venegas in Jaws. He's going to try to take a bite out of the competition. Car number 73, Josiah Wong in a Josiah. You know, like a Delara? This is a Josiah. Car number 52, Usher Peters in Speedy.
Usher, not Usher.
Car Car number 86, Claire
been
Gunther
doing that
in
his entire
flower. Sammy stepping in for her. Car number 50, Micah John in the bets, as in Mookie bets. Who is not going to bet on Micah? And I see that we have a hobby horse in this, or that's actually a unicorn, isn't it? It is a unicorn, which means singular. Sammy. 5 beta Sam Slammy. Timer ready, starter ready, Sammy says. They're off. Ooh, it's a close race. On top is Usher Peters. Second place is Micah John. Third place is Benjamin Venegas. Thank you, friend.
You'll be fine. It's fine.
Next race, we have a Banjian. That would be Ezra. Ezra Banjian, car number 54, Night Rider. Night Rider. Car number 57, it's the in-game. I think she won her heat before. That would be Lily Sagum. Car number 60 is Hello Kitty, A.A. Aubrey Abrahamson. Car number 71, it's the Fireblade, Zyra Narvaez. Zyra. Where's she? There you go. Well, she won her race too, didn't she? Also the Hazel Bruano in the Ghost Razor. And car number 74, it's Lucas Wong in the Lucas Mobile. Lucas makes me think of Star Wars. Timer ready, starter ready. Ezra said, that's a ring, excellent ring. And it is an Abrahamson followed by Zyra Narvaez. Way to go, Zyra. Ezra Banjian. Easy Wara. And Lily Sagum. 290 for Aubrey, 299 Zayra. 3-second flat for Ezra. So Ezra, where's Ezra? Are you the oldest of the Banjians? Yes. So does that mean you have more weight? Is that why you're slower?
Maybe not.
So, I would have thought your experience would have made up for that, no? Okay, next heat. Corner ready for Rebecca Montenegro, Watermelon Cutie. And she's kind of got the watermelon theme, doesn't she? And the green shirt, that's the outer skin, yeah.
I mean, it's in her.
Car number 53, Joaquin Rincon, Blue Thunder. Welcome, Joaquin. Joanne Park, the Wooden Ruler. She's measuring her competition. Car number 61, Colton Doll, Mario 5000. All that time I'm talking about Mario Andretti, he might have been thinking Mario Brothers, right? Car number 62, Samuel Gunther in the Star Empire. The Star Empire. Rebecca has got the bell. Starter ready, timer ready, Rebecca. Oh, it's a blue car. Oh. And that would be Joaquin Rincon in the Blue Thunder. Way to go, Joaquin away with it. Joanne Park in the Wooden Ruler and Rebecca Montenegro. Watermelon Cutie. Next race. In the yellow lane, it's the cinnamon roll, Melita Escobar. And Melita, you won your first race, didn't you? So you're looking for a second win. Next up, Sammy Fleming in the Iron Flame. I'm trying to visualize that, Sammy. What's an iron flame look like? Maybe a flame that heats up iron? Car number 72, Yale Hernandez in Starfire. So we've got 2 cars heating up the lane race. Next is car number 55, Penny Padilla in the Penny Mobile. And what makes it a Penny Mobile? Is there pennies? So it's the Greek light. Yeah. Okay. It looks like a Valentine's Day car, but we'll go with the Penny Mobile. Car number 63, Logan Shim. So the man who has started the most Indy 500s, the guy that has waved the green flag to start the race, his name was Shim Malone. So you share a name with a very unique record holder of the Indianapolis 500. Shim Malone, it's Logan Shim. Car number 67, David Zaragoza racing his truck. Last week we had a couple of cyber trucks in the field. Logan Shim. You already done it? Boom, race winner. Oh, okay. Boom, timer ready, starter ready. We heard the race, and it looks like the yellow lane belongs to Melita Escobar. Way to go. Is that 2 in a row? Well done. Logan Shim and Yale Hernandez. Melita with a 160-mile-an-hour cinnamon roll. I'm thinking there was no more cinnamon left on that after it got done rolling, no? Oh, yes, that is fast food.
You're giving him a run for his money.
Food that you fast from. Next heat, car number 64, Eli Holm in Gunpowder. Eli. Car number 65, Davey Fleming. I don't know. Car number 75, Camille Craig in Pink Pearl. Car number 76, Elsie Higgins in Gumball Blast. So we've got Elsie and Camille side by side. And next to them is Bella Cosito in And They're Off. Versus And They're On. Boom. Bell says go. Survey says Eli Holm. Homegrown Eli. Elsie Higgins and Davey Fleming. Next race will be the last race of the second phase. Okay, in this final race of phase number 2, car number 59, Lily Abrahamson. That would be back to back, Lily Abrahamson in the Blossom. Car number 68, the soccer field, Rafael Manco. And he literally has a car that features a soccer field, 2 goals, and a ball. Car number 70, Liliana Archer, the Cat Mobile. Car number 81, Oh Joy, it's a Hanson in the Hamantha. Car number 80, Daniel Holtum in clutch power. So in 1963, Parnelli Jones did have a clutch. These days, I guess they have a clutch type mechanism, but it's a paddle shifter up there. Who has the bell? Who has the bell? Where did I put the bell? Joy says, let's race. It looks like and it's second place. Yellow. That would be Rafael Monco.
No. Run it again.
Did it again.
So, I don't think so. Was it because we were late in finishing it? All right. We get a second track at that because I think it was Rafael. I think you were there. You're right. You're right.
There's a glitch in the program.
Yeah. So maybe we didn't work out all the glitches.
One more time, Cliff says. Last race, second phase. Joy gets to ring the bell again. Oh, no, it clearly was big. Clearly was the pig was second, is what I meant to say. I tried to give it to you, Raphael. You're just going to have to take it yourself. We're ready. They're off. And it is Lily Abrahamson followed by Joy Hansen and Samantha. Way to go, Joy. That little piggy moved down the track. Daniel Holtum and Clutch Power and Liliana Archer, the Catmobile.
More plays.
Okay, we are going to the final phase number 3. That was 164 mile per hour Abrahamson car there. I didn't see the time. 290 again? Another 290. Okay. First race, third segment. The computer will have grouped these cars as close as they can get. Car number 67 for the final time, 2025, David Zaragoza in the truck. Car number 66, Sammy Fleming in the Iron Flame. Car number 77, Vincent Sowell. Car number 55, Penny Padilla. Car number 72, Yale Hernandez. All right, clubbers. So, you have to read that smooth. So is that you, Penny, that won those 2 races before? No, that's you, Penny. You're not in this one, are you? You're just hanging out here. I'm going, wait a minute, you're not in this race. That's why you're sitting down, I got it. Okay, yellow lane is the bye. We got a wave on the yellow lane. Mr. Zaragoza, starter, timer, segment 3, 2025, won the Grand Prix. And they're off. And it is a close one. It looks like the red lane is Yale Hernandez. Followed by Penny Padilla and Sammy Fleming. Thank you, Mr. Zaragoza. Very good, Ben. You want to go sit down, Ben? Next up, car number 2. 82, Connor Din. Rodimus Prime. Car number 79, Bella Cosito. Bella, you want to do this? Bella? Next up, car number 78, Riley Sowell. Car number 62, Samuel Gunther. Car number 75, Camille Craig. And we have a bye on the yellow lane again. Timer calibrating. The judge is set. The starter's ready. Let's hear it, Bella. And they're off. Oh, it was a wobbler. Goes to Samuel Gunther. Way to go, Sammy. Camille Craig. Second place, Camille. Way to go. And third place, Bella Crosito. Okay, in the blue lane, a forewarning, the car is not available to be eaten. That is a Dodger dog in the blue lane. That's not to be eaten. So by itself, it just looks like a hot dog, but when you put it next to the Betts car, it becomes a Dodger dog.
Hey, Dave. Dave.
Okay, lineup. Josiah Wall, car number 73. Liliana Archer, car number 70. Rebecca Montenegro.
I don't know.
Ethan Peters.
Just about dead.
Get that. And Benjamin Venegas, car number 69. 5 cars, final race for them. Timer set, score set, Liliana. And they're off. Winner is Liliana Archer in the Catmobile. That was Cat Quick. Benjamin Venegas in Jaws and Rebecca with the Watermelon Cutie. Well done, guys.
You got 10% battery left.
Let it go. Yeah, just keep it
Shut
let it
it
go.
up. Let it go?
Yeah,
Okay.
run it out. Next heat, car number 86, it's Claire Gunther in the flower. There is, Sammy's stepping up. We already did that. Car number 61, Colton Dahl. Car number 63, Logan Shim. Car number 65, Davey Fleming. And car number 68, Rafael Manco. Rafael, you want to do this? Timer ready, score ready. No, we're not. The judge is ready. Okay. Boom. And they're off, and it looks like the pencil's in the lead. And that, thank you very much. And that belongs to Logan Shim, the Lead Express. He led him all the way. Way to go, Logan. Rafael Manco, the soccer field. Well done, buddy. And car number 61, Colton Dahl, Mario 5000. Nice job. We have 4 races left. 2025 Awana Grand Prix. In this race is Aubrey Abrahamson. Hello, kitty. Car number 74, Lucas Wong. Car number 58, Hazel Ruano. Go Tiger. You just Hazel. Car number 57, Lily Sackham. This is her end game. Car number 55, the Cinnamon Roll, Melida Escobar. Car number 83, Ray Juarez. I lost the screen. Okay.
Rebooting.
Boom, Hazel says they're off, and it's a tight one. Abraham, Abraham spin out in second place. Melida Escobar, 3 in a row. Hazel Ruano, nice run. Lily Sagam, end game. Bambita Escobar, 2.95. I don't remember what his second race was, but I'm guessing it's similar. Next race, car number 76, Elsie Higgins.
This is all we need.
The Gumball Blast, which actually has a Lincoln penny on it. And I asked what year was this Lincoln. This is a 2013 Lincoln that Elsie has entered into the race. A 2013 Lincoln. Daniel Holcomb, Joy Hansen, Micah John, and Joanne Park. Joanne. Is that you? Which one's Joanne? Here we go. Behind the green line. Starting ready. Joanne said, let's race. And it's the piggy again. Joy Hansen, Samantha. Putting the almond into it. Car number 56, Joanne Park. And Daniel Holcomb, clutch power. 3.02. Joy Hansen, 159 miles an hour, 2.99, a sub 3-second run. Next race, Eli Holm, gunpowder, Joaquin Rincon, Lily Abrahamson, Ezra Banjian, Asher Peters, Zayra Narvaez. Lily Abrahamson with the Thunder. And she's off. And she's there, and then boom, it is Joaquin Rincon. Wait a minute.
We run it.
It says it's a tie. I'm not wearing a tie. What do you call the child of a tie? That would be Tyson. This is the final heat. Heat number 21. Uh-oh.
You guys have to stay
Uh-oh.
on the line because it's not working.
I have power. Here we go. Here we go. We're good. Green line. Okay, final heat, 2025, Awana Grand Prix. 37 clubbers tonight, 33 clubbers last week, 70 clubbers checking in with times. Final heat, it is our 3-time back-to-back champion, Lily Abrahamson, doing the honors. And they're off. No by lane. It is Lily, followed by Ezra Banjian. Way to go, EZRA Ezra. Zayra Narvaez, Joaquin Rincon. Way to go, Joaquin. So, Lily with a 2.89 got underneath that 2.90.
No, I think some more the confused the taxes.
Okay, we're at 7:09. We're going to announce the winners of design. Last week we gave out 3 ribbons and 3 trophies for the top 6 for the Sparks. Now we're going to do the same thing for TNT. You gonna hand that out? You want to take a picture?
I have so many these. You do? I don't even know.
All right. We're starting with
Yeah.
My brother only ran one.
I guess this is TNT. Sixth place design goes to Elsie Higgin with the Gumball Blast.
And that would be a 2013
Hey, Caleb, you need to head back over
Lincoln
there.
Gumball blast.
All right. Fifth place design TNT. Logan Shim with the Lead Express. All right, here we go, Logan.
Did he just write himself into history?
All right, fourth place TNT design. Rafael Manco, the soccer field.
Raphael.
This is design. Got a little technical.
So we're gonna get it right.